guys, so today is a really fun day because we're going to be unboxing 2 LED panels that I ordered on Amazon. I hope you guys are excited. Let's get started. Okay, let's see what we have here. So the brand is called Raleno Soft Light. Let's see what is in here. Voila. Oh, I always get so excited about new equipment. It's like my favorite thing in the world. So what comes in the box is the panel, the cord, and what you use to attach to a stand or a camera even. It's pretty cool. You take this, you take the panel, you align this with this, and you just screw it in, and there you go. It's all set. You can put it on your camera, you can put it on a stand, and it's all set and ready for you to use. Let's plug this thing in and see how well it works. So I just went ahead and plugged it in. This is how the back looks when it's plugged in. So you get like an LCD screen. Right here you have on and off. So I'm gonna turn it on, and here is where you make it more intense, less intense, and right here you change from cold to warm. And as you're changing it, you could see those numbers changing as well as like the intensity. The more intense you go. So here is the light that this is providing. So look at that. Cold, really cold, really warm. All in all, I'm absolutely in love with this panel. Raleno, guys, go check them out. If you are a filmmaker, go get yours now. I've worked with panels that actually have bulbs on them. And I've always like freaked out when I was traveling with them because I was scared they're gonna fall and break and I wouldn't be able to use them for the shoot. So another thing is, I love how the display displays the kelvins, it displays the intensity. Also, another cool thing is, it has a built-in battery. It does not have to be connected to a wall. Once it's charged fully, you can use it without the cord. And that's really awesome. I mean, any filmmaker loves that. So if you guys are in need of a panel and you're looking for a good one, check out Raleno. They have an amazing product. Thank you guys again for tuning in and staying with me, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Have fun shooting.